Welcome to episode 1 of my review of the anime Kenichi, the Mightiest Disciple. This is an anime I've been told about for a long time that, as somebody who is a training enthusiast, would really love watching. So recently I've picked up and I've kind of vetted the first couple episodes, and I've decided that this would be a really good anime to review. As a personal trainer, there is a lot of information that is fitness based that gives me the opportunity to reflect on, and you guys can follow along. So if there's any of the scenes you see that I'm reviewing and you would like to give your own feedback, please feel free to do so in the comments and we can discuss. Let me know if you agree with me, let me know if you disagree with me, and let me know what your thoughts are. Did I miss anything? And to help support the channel, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on that notification bell.
Making friends can be effortless once you understand the power of the casual approach. Oh, come on, I've read this 10 times. How come I still don't get it?
Okay, so we're introduced to our main character here. It seems like he's maybe struggling to make some friends, and he's reading a book on taking a casual approach. As someone that struggled to make friends growing up, I can totally get this, and when you stop caring so much and you just show up as yourself, it becomes a lot easier. This is kind of a funny thing. This isn't necessarily fitness advice that we're getting started with here, but I do believe that relationships are a huge part of fitness, and the more support systems you can create for yourself, the more successful you'll be. So making friends in the fitness community or the martial arts community or whatever aspect of the fitness community you show up for can be a big part of it. And as we're kind of seeing Kenichi explain here, the more casual you are, the better. And I would even take that a step further of like, not even just being casual, but just being yourself and letting the people that you're going to vibe with and you're going to mesh with gravitate towards you. I guess unless that's nobody, then you're alone forever. Okay, next part.
The sky?
Ouch.
Hold on! Do you just go around throwing people? You're lucky you didn't kill me!
I said sorry, but that's what you do when someone sneaks up on you. It's one of the first things I learned.
Do not sneak up on people. Again, we're not starting off with a ton of fitness lessons here, but I do think, especially if you see a woman walking alone on the street, do not sneak up on her, do not follow her. Let's just stop doing all of that altogether. And Kenichi, while he didn't mean to sneak up on her, he was just being a little bit space-headed. You know, I do not blame her for taking upon herself the lessons to have self-defense and to flip his ass for sneaking up on her. Totally normal response.
I'm so gonna be late.
What are you talking about? We've got 4 minutes.
What?
I know a shortcut. Jumping across.
Let this be a lesson that when you take the shortcuts, it isn't always a shortcut. Sometimes you get wet. Stop looking for shortcuts, whether it be in fitness, in your career, in life. Stop. Smell the roses. Give yourself time to do things the long way and the right way. No more shortcuts.
Kenichi, go stand in the hall.
Wow, first day of high school, and I'm already a loser.
Well, we were both late, so it's only fair that I go stand in the hall with him, don't you think?
So this is kind of fun. She accepts that they were both late and they should both have the consequences for their actions. This isn't always how it works out in life, where we always see the consequences equally as our peers, but very admirable. It's very admirable that she would be like, hey, we were both late, we should both have the consequences of standing in the hall, not just Kenichi.
But I'd like it if the two of us could be friends.
Now that I see her up close, she's so cute.
So here Kenichi is, making his first friend and falling in love, a classic tale as old as time.
Did weak knees Kenichi stand in the hall for being tardy? Sorry to hear about that.
Just my luck. Haru Nijima. He's a spineless bottom feeder that kisses up to the meathead so he can bully other students.
I really like how this story is being built up as Kenichi is being bullied. He's very weak. They call him Weak Knees Kenichi, for him to have a massive glow up. And the reason I really like this is I feel like good, inspiring stories, especially when it comes to fitness or martial arts or whatever it might be in anime, I think the lower a character starts, the more inspiration we can draw from their story as they rise up. So this is a very classically told story for this reason, as it's just very relatable. I think we can all recall times in our life where we were at low points and we felt the same way a lot of these characters felt, and we draw inspiration and motivation from seeing them rise up, just like we have or like we would like to. I know anytime I'm encountered with a main character that deals with some bullying, I know that I reflect a lot on the bullying I dealt with in the past, and it really helps me connect with the character and draw more inspiration from their stories. So the story is really doing a good job of creating this for us to start out.
Jerk, you better stop laughing at me. I'm getting stronger. Just wait, you'll...
Yeah, good one, but what about the footwork, Daimonji?
No, wait, I give up!
Daimonji!
So I can't speak to many high school level clubs. I could see where this could be a lot more common in like high school martial arts or high school sports for sure. But typically, at least as adults, when we are joining spaces where other people are working on bettering themselves, and something like a martial art where somebody's learning self-defense, those tend to be very welcoming community spaces where people lift each other up. We see here Kenichi wants to get stronger, he wants that uplifting feeling, and he's chosen to join the karate club, and the karate club is the opposite of uplifting. They are quite literally using him as a punching bag, and if you ever find yourself in a community like this that is not uplifting in a space where it should be, find a different community. There are plenty out there. There's plenty of gyms, there's plenty of martial arts studios, there's plenty of clubs. Whatever it is, find something different, because you deserve the support from the community that is going to allow you to be your best self, and this isn't it. So you do not have to accept that. This is not how these communities typically are. This is not how those communities should be, and these are not what the communities should be for you. This is not what you should want for yourself from one of these communities. You can do so much better, and Kenichi can do so much better, and he is going to find a better community of people to uplift him and make him stronger and make him a better version of himself. But this community is not going to be that.
The only reason we even let you in this club is because we needed a new punching bag. So no more falling down on the job. You're finished when I say you're finished. Got it?
I guess that's one way to get a new punching bag. Again, Kenichi needs to leave this club ASAP. Thank you guys for tuning in to my review 1 of Kenichi, the Mightiest Disciple. Tune back in to see episode 2, and I'm going to keep reviewing this anime all the way through, and we are going to learn as much about fitness, martial arts, and becoming the best versions of ourselves possible through this anime. Please, again, like the video, subscribe, comment, do all those great things, and maybe check out this video here, maybe check out this video here. And until next time, guys, I will see you later. Peace out.